Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit transfer budget of your club using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for a beginner new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactic and how you can manage your clubs. So let's get started. Before you edit your transfer budget, make sure your in-game editor is active. So before you start a new game or when you start a new game, check the in-game editor, and you can check it out in the settings button. Tap view, tap unlockables, this one, in-game editor active. So, and also you can check it out by tap your first team, and make sure this button, the yellow button at the bottom of your screen, is on. This is the edit button or the in-game editor button. So in this in-game editor you can edit club detail, facilities, team actions, and general details about your club. In this case, I'm managing Manchester United, so you can change the team name and also the transfer budget itself. For example, you can increase your transfer budget or decrease if you need. If necessary, you can increase the transfer budget, and also you can increase and decrease the wage budget of your club. So please free to try this in-game editor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.